Hey there and welcome in. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been searching online for a simple, easy to use method to generate an income online? What if I told you that I could show you how by only spending $1 a day for only 10 minutes a day? Well, that's what I'm about to show you in today's video. This is a series that I am doing on a platform called My Lead Gen Secret. And what this platform does is for $1 a day, it will give you 100 leads, 100 emails. And then you create an email, put an offer in it, and send it out to those 100 leads. And then the next day, for another dollar, you'll get another 100, doubling from what you had previously. So now you're at 200 leads. And through each day, this builds up, builds up, builds up. And you put your offers in there, you get them out, you get eyeballs on these offers. People are interested in the offers. They make a purchase, you get a commission. And these are leads that are people that have already given the green light to be sent these offers. They want it, so let's give it to them. All right. Now, I want to show you guys something. We're going to get started, all right? Let me bring this up, okay? This is the My Lead Gen Secret. If you are new to the series, then I suggest starting back at video 1. Or you can stick around, watch this, see if it's something you're interested in, and then go back and start over. That way you can follow along and kind of get on track here. Those that haven't followed along, guys, we've been using, or at least I've been using the Genius Wave. If you have been using the Genius Wave, and you don't have to use the exact same offers that I use, you can choose your own. I've showed you how to pick them, and then you can pick them, and then you can use those. All right. But I haven't been having much luck with the Genius Wave, and I want to tell you that is going to happen from time to time. This is why we do 5 offers for 5 days, and then we switch. There's tons of offers that we can use. Stick with one for 5 days, push it out, no matter what your stats look like. As you can see, mine aren't doing that well. Now, I'm going to tell you something funny that happened. So I had already created a video. Actually, I didn't even create a video. I didn't hit start recording, and I spent probably over 20 minutes making what I thought I was making a video. Already sent my email out, and that is why you will see this here, that there's zeros. So I'm redoing this video, but I want to make sure I get this guy out to you guys. But just follow along. I'm gonna get back to my point. The point is, if you look at the open rate, so here's the open. So look, 12,600 emails sent, 665 open. Here's the open rate. This is how many clicks that I've generated since I sent this email out last. Okay, not very good, folks. I think we really want to try and see this above 2-3%. I think you get into around the 3%. I think that's actually pretty good. Whether you get commissions off of those, I think that's better. So we'll get there. Anyway, back to my point. So that's not doing that well, and sometimes they're just not. And if they aren't, then that's fine. You get through your 5 days, pick another offer, and then keep an eye on that. Always, that's what this is here for. So you can adjust. You can make adjustments. You know what's working. You know what's not. Try different things in your email. So like with the Genius Wave, you'll see that their emails don't give you greetings. It's not like, hey, Bill. It just goes immediately into the email. You get your subject line and then immediately into the email. But I want to tell you something. I learned a trick, and we're going to try it. It's the PS trick. No, not a PlayStation. Actually, it stands for postscript, which was derived from the Latin word postscriptum, meaning right after, like WRITE, right after. So we're going to try that PS trick. So stick around, and let's get into it. Right? Let's get into it. So we're in ClickBank. Open up your ClickBank account. Looks like I don't know what's going on here. Too many of these open. All right, log in. And once you're logged in, you want to go to the affiliate marketplace. A little slow loading here, isn't it? There we go. Hit top offers. Next, you're going to want to come up here to the filter for the ranking, and we want gravity high to low, because that'll give us the highest gravity score. And this gravity score a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales, which means that this says that this converts really well. Unfortunately for me, it really hasn't. Hopefully you guys are having a ton of luck. I really do. All right. So with that, now this is open. I'm going to grab our emails. So go to your affiliate page. Mine's already open, so I'm just going to click it up here. It'll scroll down a little bit. It'll pop up. It'll look like this. And then just scroll down. And here it says, click here to get 7 high converting email swipes. This is where we've been getting our email swipes. Just go ahead and click on that. Again, mine's already open, so I'm going to click there. Let's see. And then this is where you can grab your emails. And if you've been following along, you know that all you have to do is just copy and paste this. So go to the next email that you haven't used yet. Go ahead and copy and paste it. And then we're going to go over to our Google Docs. See, I already did this. Remember, I'm a dummy who recorded a video that wasn't recorded. All right. So once you get that over here in your Google Docs, you are going to want to make sure. See, I put a greeting in. Like I said, Genius Wave does not have a greeting. So I put one in. Hi, and then you'll use this, which comes from one. You can either grab it from your previous email if you put one in. If not, this is where I get them. So let's go to it's in the mailing system. This is where I need to be. And this is where you'll get it. You can do, these are all the different types of greetings that you can use here. Full name, first name, last name. I like to do the first name, hey Bill. It just sounds more personable, right? Of course it does. So that's what you're going to want to do. All right, so go back to do that. So plug that in if you want to have a greeting. Next, you want to insert your links into it. Already has the highlighted, the blue highlighted sections here that you can insert your links. So that's what you're going to want to do. Now to get those, for those that are new, we can pull those from the promote. All right, once you open or create a ClickBank account, you'll have a affiliate nickname, and that is what you'll use. So you'll go to, just click in that box, select your nickname, hit continue. It'll bring this up. Make sure your name's in this box up here, okay? Because what it does is it creates the hop link, which is your unique link that you insert into any given, space, wording, whatever. So once you have that, it's copied, and you can go back to your email, highlight it, and then you'll hit right click. This will say insert link. This week I already have mine in there, but it'll say insert link. So insert the link, copy and paste it in the box, and then hit apply. All right, so mine's already in there. Do that to both of these. Get those in there. Next, you want to make sure that you have a sign off. I've already got mine. Mine's ready to go. I'm ready to go. Get yours ready to go, and once that's done, your email's done. Excuse me. Then once you do that, this is when you can, go too far. Pick a subject line. What's nice about the Genius Wave is that it does give you 2 subject lines. I think it's kind of cool that you have an option there, because maybe one sounds better than the other. So go ahead and pick which one you want, highlight it and copy it, head back over here to the mailing list. First thing you want to make sure you do, since you're already up at the top, hit select all. You want to get all those leads over into the right box, okay? And then put your subject line in here. Maybe I can go ahead and do that. For whatever reason, I thought it would be in there. I should know better. All right. Let me grab my subject line. Copy that. Right click, paste, boom. There you go. Subject line's ready. And then you want to head back over, and you want to copy the body of the email. Go back to MLGS, hit this back arrow button right here. That'll delete everything, and it'll pop you up. You already started in there. Just hit Control V, because it will not let you use right click and paste. You can resize this. Just highlight. You can highlight everything, come up here and resize it. All right. I've already sent my email, so it's pointless for me to do that. But you can resize this to your liking, or you can just leave it the same. Entirely up to you. Click perfect timing, and then over here, I don't have it, but you will. It'll say send email or preview. Click on preview. When that pops open, I want you to check your links. So you'll click on it. Make sure it pops up. All right. And it should, when it pops up, it should look something like this. This is what will pop up. At least it should, yeah. And this is what they will go to, all right? And then, so check both links, or however many that are in there that you're using. Now, this is where we will, since we already have that, and actually we could have even done this beforehand, but initially this is the setup. This is what you do. Now we're going to include the added PS trick, okay? And this is how this is going to go down. And so what you can do is on the MLGS platform, go under your name, do PS, and then I think this is what I typed. And you can actually back up a second before we go that. Let's go find. You want to find an offer. That's probably a good place to start. Yeah, I just learned this trick. All right, so bear with me. And this is what I did. I actually went to e-business and e-marketing, and these are some offers that we'll probably going through as well, just to kind of toss that out there. They seem to do pretty well. The gravity scores aren't. I mean, this isn't as high as the Genius Wave, but seem to do pretty good. Anyway, yeah. So you want to grab your offer. We'll do. At least I am. I'm going to do get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. All right. Put your nickname in there. Grab the hop link. Exit out of that, and we'll go back to the MLGS. Whoa, what's going on? That was weird. I'm not sure why that did that. That's weird. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do. Looks like I accidentally put a comma in there. All right. After I use this trick, I started making money from this amazing opportunity. Here, let's do this. Caps. All right, and then you'll just highlight it. Click here, right click, or no, I'm sorry. This is MLGS. This is set up different. So you'll highlight this, and then this actually has the little link icon up here. So you want to click on that, and then you can right click and paste the link in. Hit OK. Boom, it's in there. Okay. Go to your preview, click that, and make sure that the social media landing page pops up for you. Okay. And I need to figure out what the heck just happened here with this thing. I don't understand why. I can't put it back. All right, well, anyway, that's the end for me anyway on this. So I'm just going to go ahead and exit this out. I don't think I need that anymore. So, and then hit send email if you haven't already. If you've got some value out of this, please give me a like. And if you want to continue to follow along, hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I put out a video. That way you can just kind of stay on par. I mean, I'm putting these out daily. So that way you've got access to that. And let's see, there was something else. Oh yeah, if you want to find something, if you're looking for something maybe more than this, all right, this is a nice little 10-minute bing bang boom. You can do this right before you head out for work for the day, or when you come home at night before you go to bed. Come on here, grab an offer, put in an email, send it away. It's so simple. Just build that email list, stay persistent, stay consistent, and I promise you, you will start to generate commissions. I've had some come in. It's not a get rich quick type of platform or whatever, so don't expect that. That's not what this is for. Look, guys, I am just a blue collar worker, okay? 25 years in the flooring business. Sometimes it's feast and famine in this line of work. So I need to have a little something, to help keep up on, your bills and everyday things that you need to sustain life, right? And not to mention, in this line of work, it's not something you can do for the rest of your life. Okay, it's very physically demanding, and I do want to retire at some point. And so I'm getting started now. Wish I would have done this many years before, but there's so many great opportunities getting started now It's probably never been a better time to get started on an online business. Okay, especially with the technology of AI. What it allows us to do is incredible. I use ChatGPT for everything. It's amazing. But through my research that I have done online, because it's something I've been wanting to get in the online space and make a living off of doing that. And I've tried things, and there's things there's a lot of stuff out there, guys. Okay, there's a lot of stuff out there, and I'm not saying it's all BS and none of it works. Okay, you're going to get out of something of whatever you put in. Okay, that's how that works. But I had to find the right fit for me, and MLGS was something. It was just so simple. I mean, I don't know how this ain't a right fit for anybody. This thing is easy. 10 minutes a day, email, pop, 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 send it away, and then just wait. And then, I mean, offers that you send today may come in 2, 3 weeks down the road, maybe a month or two down the road. Those people go back to some emails, or maybe they were undecided at the time. You never know. And they can come in whenever. Passive income is awesome, and that's what I'm trying to set up. But let me get back to my point at hand here. Is I have joined Endless Income Academy. If you haven't heard of it, I'm going to I have a video on a series that I just started, and you can follow along. I'll leave it at the end of this one that you can watch. And it is a platform created by 2 7-figure earners, and these guys were blue collar, just like me, maybe just like you, so they know what it's like to be where we're at. And they've, through trial and error, found all the ways of how not to do it, and then all the ways of how to do it. They partnered up. They've created an amazing platform that has everything that you need to create an online business with so much done for you stuff. Like they want you to succeed so bad that they've created all the stuff for you to use. So with all the tools that you need to do it, it is amazing. I'm not going to sit here and spend a whole lot of time trying to explain what that is. I did leave a link for the MLGS that you can get signed up for. There is also the Google Docs with emails in them, and there is a link to the Endless Income Academy that is in there as well. So you can check that out there, or you can watch the video that I leave, or go to my YouTube channel and start watching the series that I'm putting out. It's amazing. I think you guys will like it. It's really good stuff. And if you would be so kind to join my Facebook group, that'd be amazing. I'd love to see you guys there. We can connect and ask questions, and whatever. Anyway, I don't want to make this video any longer than what it already is, right? So I'm going to sign off, and we'll see you in the next one.